Hey guys, so I just got done registering. Today is MSF Solo Masters. It's my first time competing in an event like this. So I'm quite excited and interested to see how it turns out. So Marsha is also vlogging. There's Ashwin's car, my car, and Abang Wan's car. He's driving his E92, E36 and Mazda RX-8. I'll be competing in the two-wheel drive NA category. I saw a couple of familiar faces or familiar cars. So without wasting too much time, I'm gonna do my track walk soon. So this Autocross event is hosted by MSF. It's called MSF Solo Masters. They've hosted this in the past, but this is my first time joining it. It's supposed to be held at KL base, but due to some complications, it was moved to this Sepang parking lot. Road surface seems very rough and loose at certain areas, so it's gonna get quite tricky. Are you nervous? Kinda. Same. The track or your car? Both. Some parts are loose and then some parts are narrow. Should be good. As long as my brakes works, then it should be fine.
I'm the racer.
Everyone is queuing up and we're gonna go for our first practice run.
Three, two, one, go!
Ashwin doing his practice run 1. Where's Ashwin? Cross the line. Okay, so I'm done with practice run 1. I did not go that fast because I was bringing Marsha along. They said to let everyone have their first run first, and then only we're gonna do practice run 2, which is probably in a few more minutes or so. Yeah, from what I can say, the surface is really slippery. I did not have to use my handbrake to slide the car. All I had to do was just tap the brakes and the rear end will run loose. So the whole gang is here. I'm gonna go for my practice round 2. I'm pushing slightly harder, but the weather is more hot now than it was. Hopefully my car can withstand one whole lap of this. So yeah, wish me luck.
Rotary?
Yeah.
he's here.
Yes.
I assume it was a synchro. Was it a synchro issue or what?
No, no.
Huh?
What issue?
No, it's us Zamir for Z Nova. See, all of us Z Nova. And when you were running,
They went limbo after this corner, so no power already.
I sliding all the way.
okay what?
Biar dia
First
first
turn.
entry tu first hairpin tu korang rasa nice. I tengok ni nak langgar divider lah ni. Can I save it or not? Hey guys, so I just got done with lunch. It's about 1:40 PM right now, and as you guys can tell, the weather is quite cloudy. It rained for quite a bit just now, but now it's drying up as we speak. So I'm gonna go for my first time run of the day. I've been sliding and spinning out on my first 2 practice runs. Hopefully I can avoid spinning out or minimizing my tail going out. What I did is just adjust the rear tire pressure slightly a bit, not much, just a bit. Hopefully that will help improve my rear traction. So without further ado, I'm gonna go and do my first time run of the day. Hello, I'm back. So apparently there were some oil spill at the finish line, so they took some time to clean it up and also adjusted the final section of the layout. So hopefully now it's safer for everyone to ride. I don't know if it's gonna affect me much in terms of driving. I think she'll be more or less the same. So this time I'm gonna give my best and hopefully I don't slide too much, because this is an autocross event, it's not a drift event, but I am then again running my daily tires, which are quite done for, especially at the back. So yep, I'll catch you guys on my first time run.
3, 2, 1.
Tengoknya kita tak boleh drift kan? My rear tires are not gripping up at all. It's wet and it's also botak, yeah. So I've been sliding. I just finished doing my first time run. It did not went that well because I spun out again. Because some area of the track were quite wet. My rear tires were just gripping up. And now it started to rain again. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen now. Yeah, my brother's here.
No car.
Oh, here comes.
Okay, we put a tong and the 2 cones there. So you have to take it carefully. Remember, don't.
Hey guys, so I'm back and this will be my final run for today. I just went out to somewhat warm up my tires because they are super cold when I first touched them before I got into the car. So I did a few laps outside of the area. They managed to warm them up quite a bit, but not too hot. Plus, I'm in traffic right now. I know I'm gonna lose some of them anyways. And since the road is really wet, I'm just gonna have fun and yeah, see how it is.
3, 2, 1, go!
Final run of the day. Hopefully I get a decent time and no spin outs at all.
Amin. Baca doa. Okay, bye. I love you most.
Okay guys, so this will be the final run for today. Yeah, a bit nervous, but being nervous is good I guess, because it keeps you on your toes.
Oh, melekat! RX-8! Rotary power!
Tutup telinga nanti pekak. My best run of the day. Okay, just got done with all my runs for today. Right now I'm at Petronas because my shot is hungry and dizzy. So am I. I'm gonna update you guys in a bit. So it's a little later throughout the day. It's already 5:35 p.m. Everyone is packing up and we're gonna wait for the prize giving ceremony, which will be done around 6 p.m. they said. So yeah. You guys remember Ashwin and his E36 that I detailed a couple months ago? But for you guys, it's probably like one video ago. So how's the car since you bought it?
The car has interesting problems and still discovering more problems.
No good things, all I hear is problems.
But still, at least it never died on me yet. It's still reliable. Oil burning, regular BMW problem. Gearbox, sometimes don't shift gear, regular problem. It's okay, we'll manual stop it and still okay. Still love the car.
Still love the car. How did the car perform today?
It performed good, but then at certain times it just lost. I went to limit, so yeah. But it's okay. I had fun.
So what's your plan for it?
What's my plan for it? Fix the one-off, paint this. Hopefully do the exhaust straight pipe so I can annoy you too.
Yeah, straight pipe gang.
And then manual swap.
Yeah.
By manual swap, most likely a year or two down the road.
That's
Yeah,
it for
other than that, nothing much.
Almost like 6 months since you bought this car, right? Or more. 7 months already.
Yeah.
That's his progress. It looks good. He tracked his car after 7 months of owning it. Not bad.
Watching this game, dog poop. Unfortunately, I did not win any trophies, but it's okay. I just get to have fun and test out the car. So I'll catch you guys next time on whatever the future video might be. So yeah, I'm ready for whatever that is coming up next. But I definitely need to try this.